Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restart your JVC Smart TV. First of all, we can of course restart the TV by long pressing the power button on the remote control until the screen of the TV goes off, and then short press it once again after a couple of seconds, though I'm not sure if, well, it definitely doesn't restart our TV all the way. So instead we can go to settings, go to device and software, and then select restart in here, click restart to confirm, and wait until our TV is restarted. The other way to restart your TV is by holding down the power button, the physical one underneath your device. So just locate it with your fingers, and then you can either hold it down until the screen goes off, and then for maybe a couple seconds more, and this will make your TV restart. Or alternatively, you could have also short press the power button to enter quick settings of your TV. Then on the quick settings, navigate to power off option by short pressing your power button, the power button on your TV several times. And then once you have the power off option highlighted, just hold down the power button for 2 seconds. This will make your TV fully power off. Then you're gonna have to wait for a couple of seconds and then press the power button once again to turn your TV off. And of course, the last option is simply unplugging your TV from the power source. So if your TV is absolutely unresponsive, just unplug it from the power source and then plug it back in after a couple of seconds, maybe a minute, if you want to power cycle your TV, and then power it back on, either using your remote control or the physical power button on it. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.